Welcome to Engine Explorer. He sold his house, packed up his life, and traded it all for this. A 2026 Prevost Luxury Motor Home. And now, we get it. This isn't just an RV. It's a rolling statement. A bold, unapologetic declaration of freedom, power, and opulence. The moment you step inside, you're not in a vehicle, you're in a luxury residence. Marble floors with heated zones, Italian leather seating, fully motorized and memory mapped. A panoramic smart glass wall that fades from clear to opaque with a voice command. But let's rewind. Why would someone sell their home for this? Because, unlike a home, this mansion moves. It follows the mountains in the summer and the ocean in the winter. Because this Prevost isn't about giving things up, it's about upgrading every detail of life. The living area? Equipped with a 72-inch 8K OLED rising from a custom-built console. The sound, studio-grade Dolby Atmos, tuned to perfection. Oh, and did we mention the ceiling turns into a fiber optic night sky? Step further in. The kitchen is chef-grade. Think Sub-Zero refrigeration, a built-in steam oven. Quartz counters with embedded induction burners. Every cabinet is soft-close, lighted, and climate-sealed. The bedroom. That's where things get unreal. A king-size adjustable bed, memory-zoned. For 2 sleepers. Dual touchscreen control panels. Hidden compartments. And yes, a ceiling mirror. If that's your thing, now the bathroom. It's not just a bathroom, it's a spa. A rainfall shower with aromatherapy, full-body jets, and a sound-reactive LED ambient system. The toilet? Heated, hands-free, and voice-canned. The whole thing self-cleaning. No joke. And tucked at the rear, a climate-controlled garage bay. Perfect for a golf cart, e-bikes, or a full-size motorcycle. Under the hood, the 2026 Prevost is powered by a 605 HP Volvo D13. Engine paired with an Allison HD transmission. It rides like a cloud on an active air suspension that reads the road 500 times a second. Solar panels? Absolutely. 5,000 watts on the roof with a lithium bank big enough to run the entire coach off-grid for days. Satellite internet. Starlink pre-installed and auto-tracking. Security, biometric locks, 360 cameras, and motion alerts tied to your phone in real time. So, did he really give something up? Or did he trade square footage for square freedom? He wakes up to new views every week. Mountain lakes, desert canyons, ocean cliffs, no alarm clocks, no neighbors above or below. Just movement, luxury, and control. And when you really look at it, can you put a price on that? That's the 2026 Prevost, a house on wheels. No, this is a lifestyle on fire. Thanks for riding with us here on Engine Explorer. Don't forget to subscribe for more luxury reviews and let us know, would you sell your house for this? Because after today, we just might.